Good. You ready for your rest?
Are you ready for your food, Ethan?
You ready for your food? Are you
Danny's scared. Danny! Danny! Pwede na, no? Ganyan na lang. Your baby gonna be look like Dale.
Oh yeah. I want them to look like them.
Of course. We all wanted to be like our babies look like our
No,
husband.
he said I want it to look like you. I said Making baby then.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready for everybody. Yes. Right.
Oopsie. There you go. Yes, Ethan.
Wow.
Thank you.